Hello and welcome everyone. Welcome to our first video from Hantanavayo Studio. From here, I'm going to explain you about Internet and Web Technologies module. This is our first lesson from this new studio. Okay, guys, let's see the presentation. In this module, you can learn about following content. First one is data network and the internet. Then after next topic, next topic is network services and protocol, then web server and the browser, then after markup languages. Let's see what is data network and the internet. Okay, in your first semester you already know about the network. If we simply explain about it, network is two or more collection of computers, two or more computers connecting together to share resources and data. Okay, in here I have mentioned it formally. A network is, according to the Cambridge Dictionary, this is the definition from a Cambridge Dictionary, a large system consisting many similar parts that are connected together to allow movement or communication along the parts or between the parts and a control center. In your exam, if there will be a question related to computer networks, you will have to mention this underlined point especially to get full marks. Large system as well many similar parts or its nodes connecting together, movement or communication. Okay, then we can see about different types of network. There are so many types of networks, not only computer based networks. There are different types of networks available according to the nature of usage. One is telecommunication network. We know that we can use telecommunication networks such as our mobile networks as well, satellite based networks, and there are so many types of telecommunication networks. Then after TV and radio networks, we know that in Sri Lanka there are so many types of networks as well. Internationally also there are so many types of network. TV and radio network. In here you can identify the logos of them. Then of transport network, we know that in every countries there are transport networks. It is also a network. Then after social networks, we know that in social media we are using social media such as YouTube, Facebook, and also Twitter, and so many types of social media networks. And in here we are going to discuss about computer data networks. Okay. This is the definition for computer and data network. A computer network or data network is a digital telecommunication network which allows nodes to share resources. If you consider the network like a television or radio network, it can be a analog network, but in computer networks, it is a digital network, a digital telecommunication network which allows nodes to share resources. In here, node mean the devices connected to the network. As well, these center devices can be considered as networking devices which you can use to connect these devices together. Okay, in the next one, in computer networks, computing devices exchange data with each other using connections between nodes, otherwise data links. Connections between data links mean the type of cables or the medium which we can use to create the network. It can be a physical one or else it can be a wireless one. In the semester one, you have learned about these in your network subject. Okay, these data links are established over cable media such as wires or optical cables, or wireless media such as Wi-Fi. If we consider the physical medium, we can consider coaxial cable. Then after twisted pair as well, we can consider also fiber optic, which we can use for internet backbone. As well, wireless media, we can consider examples such as microwaves, satellite networks, and also for local area networks, Wi-Fi, infrared, and we can consider them as wireless media. Okay, these are the applications related to data network. Okay, hardware for resource sharing, we can use hardware, computer resource, disk printers, and also software, application software. We can use networks to share resources such as hardware. If we consider a shared printer, we can use that printer to get print out from all the nodes in our computer network, which have given the permission. As well, we can use software also as shared resource. If we consider cloud-based software service, we can use them online without installing separately to our single computer. As well, we can share information also. We can, if we uploaded a file into a cloud server, we can use it from anywhere in part of the world. As well, if we consider www, otherwise World Wide Web, we can use World Wide Web from any part of the world to find information. Okay, as well, we can use network also for communication purposes, to send email messages, as well for broadcast something like that. Then after, we can use computer networks to remote computing. It means to access another computer which is located in another part of the world. Okay, in next section, I'll explain you about types of data networks. I'll recap it because you have learned this in your semester 1. Okay, up to now, I'll stop the session from here, this video from here, otherwise this will be a too long video. Therefore, till we meet again with the next video, have a nice day to all of you. As well, if you have any doubt regarding these videos, you can use our support service. It is sam@rainbowenglish.uk, or else you can use our hotline +947 177 0000. Okay, thank you very much.